Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our favorites, homemade Butterfinger ice cream. This can actually be adapted to use really any type of candy you want to add if you didn't want to do Butterfinger, but today we're going to focus on Butterfinger. So you're going to need 4 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, 4 Butterfinger candy bars, and 2 to 3 quarts of half and half. This would be creamer. And then you also want to use your ice cream maker. So the first thing you're going to do is bring the sugar and water to a rolling boil on the stovetop and let that cook for about 1 minute. This lets the sugar dissolve into the water and makes a sugar water. So once that's done, you're going to go ahead and let it cool, and you can chop your candy in the food processor. So that's what I'm doing here, and I've got it all chopped. You just want to chop it to the consistency you would like in your ice cream. So as small of chunks or as little, whatever you want to do there. And then you're going to go ahead and pour the Butterfingers into the sugar mixture and soak it for about 5 minutes. So you're just letting this all soak in. And once that 5 minutes is up, you can go ahead and pour this whole mixture into the ice cream maker pot that comes with your ice cream maker, the tin, and you're going to add the rest of it as half and half. So you're going to go ahead and pour this into a 4-quart ice cream maker, and then you'll go all the way up to the fill line on your ice cream maker with half and half. And then from that point, you're going to go ahead and follow the instructions on your ice cream maker. Usually you're just adding the ice, the rock salt, and letting it churn. And then once you're done, you're going to have this amazing Butterfinger ice cream. By far the best ice cream that we eat all summer, and I love it. So I couldn't wait to share this one. You would let it harden up some. You can serve it. We did it here in little ice cream cups, and then we dipped them in chocolate and added some more of the Butterfinger. So it gives you this really fun cup for Sundays. Find this recipe for homemade Butterfinger ice cream and more over on mommyhatescooking.com. Thanks so much for tuning in today.